Hey lovely people, Coupon Crystle here with another Walmart Ibotta haul, guys. I've got two bonuses that I'm working on. The Weekend Warrior bonus where I get $5, and then there is the Fresh Start bonus where I get $10, guys. So I'm working on my rebates and I want to share it with my lovely people. Let's jump into it. The first rebate I did was for bananas. Yes, I got 3 bananas. They cost me 45 cents. I got 10 cents back from Ibotta for the any banana rebate. Made the final cost for the 3 bananas, 35 cents. That's a great deal for some produce. The next rebate I did, guys, was on the all laundry detergent. This is a huge bottle. This is the 88 ounce 49 loads. It cost $6.97. I did have a $1 coupon that I used in store, made my cost in store drop to $5.97. But the amazing thing about this, guys, is that there is 2 rebates actually attaching to this one. So when you scan it in store, it's going to pop up the other rebates. Make sure that you activate those. Okay, there was a $2.50 rebate for all free and clear. Then there is a $2 rebate for all free and clear, and there was a $2 bonus because for purchasing 2 you get an additional $10. So because this one bottle attached those 2 rebates, it thought I purchased 2, therefore it gave me credit for all 3. The $2.50 for the first rebate, $2 for the second one, and $2 for the bonus, for a total back $6.50 back for the all, making this a 53 cents money maker. Next rebate I did, guys, was on the U by Kotex. Great deal. They are priced $3.84 in my Walmart. I purchased 2 because I had a 3 off of 2 insert coupon. $7.68 for the 2. The $3 coupon came off. I paid $4.68 in store. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate. So I got back $4 for the 2, dropping the cost to 68 cents for the 2 U by Kotex Pads. Great deal. The next rebate I did was on the St. Ives facial scrub, guys. It was priced $4.44 in my Walmart. I had a 3 off of 2 coupon that I used that I actually combined with another product that I got a rebate for. So let's just say $1.50 came off of the St. Ives, making my cost in store be $2.94. Now, there is a $1 Ibotta rebate and shop kick. So I've got to scan it in store to get 15 kicks. And when I upload my receipt, I will get 475 kicks. That's a great deal because the 15 kicks plus the 475 kicks is 490 kicks, or $1.96 coming back. So this ends up being free because I'm getting $1 back from Ibotta, $1.96 back from Shopkick, making the final cost be a 2-cent money maker. Next rebate I did was on the Simple Wipes. Now the Simple Wipes were priced $4.46, and I used this item for the other half of that 3 off of 2 coupon. So $1.50 off of the Simple Wipes, paid in store $2.96. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back and Shopkick, of course. So I scanned in store to get 15 kicks for Shopkick and uploaded the receipt for 475 kicks, or the equivalent of $1.96 coming back. So I got $1 from Ibotta, $1.96 from Shopkick, for a total back of $2.96. Makes the Simple Wipes absolutely free. I keep getting these free, and that is a great deal.
Also got a 10-cent any acne rebate for the Simple.
Next rebate I did was on the Renews It 3-pack. Again, love these simple, easy rebates. $2.74 in store. I did have a $1 coupon. So I used that $1 coupon, dropped the cost to $1.74 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back. making the final cost be 74 cents for the Renews It. It's a great deal, guys. Next rebate I did was, of course, my Oreo Thins. The Oreo Thins are priced $2.56. No coupon did I have, so I paid $2.56 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate that I got back, making the final cost be $1.56 for the Oreo Thin Bites. This is the mint flavor. Next rebate I did was my Listerine trial size. This time I got the purple. They were $1.97 in my store. This is the trial size, all right? The rebate does work for that. If you would like to get the larger size, make sure that you use the coupon for it. Okay, so it's $1.97. Paid in store $1.97. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be 97 cents for some trial size Listerine. This is something that you could pop it in your purse. Next rebate I did was on the zebra pens. Zebra pens were actually $2.94 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, but there is a $1 Ibotta rebate. So I got my dollar back, making the final cost be $1.94 for the zebra pens, and I do like them. Next rebate I did was on the blueberry strawberry instant oatmeal, Quaker Oatmeal. It's priced 98 cents in my Walmart. I didn't have a coupon, so I paid 98 cents, but there is a 25 cents Ibotta rebate coming back to me, making the final cost be only 73 cents for the instant oatmeal. Great breakfast item. The next rebate I did was the Quaker Medley. Now my store only seems to have the Quaker Medley in this flavor. That's why I keep getting the apple walnut, because that's all they have at my little Walmart. So this one's priced $1.46 in the Walmart. No coupon. I paid $1.46, but there is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be 96 cents for the Quaker Medley Oatmeal. Now, the next two rebates, I botched them up. Okay, just gonna let you know, but I'm gonna run through the rebates in case you want to do it the right way, but Crystle did it the wrong way, because I've done this rebate several times before and they switched it up on me. That's what I get for doing what I tell you guys not to do, which is read, scan. But I was rushing. Guys, so that's why I screwed it up. The next rebate I did was on the brown cow. Okay, the brown cow rebate is for 50 cents, but this is the thing, guys, you must buy 3. Now they're priced 98 cents each, but you got to buy 3 and you're only getting 50 cents. Crystle only purchased 1, so therefore I did not get credit for this rebate. All right, the next rebate that Crystle botched was the Chobani. Okay, the Chobani rebate. You must buy 5, and they're priced $1.22 each. You gotta buy 5 just to get $1 back. Crystle did not read, therefore I did not get it back. Okay, but all was not lost, because this is the Peppermint Perfection, and I never got my husband the Peppermint Perfection, so what? I paid $1.22, but he's got a different flavor now, because y'all know he likes his yogurt. Now, the only consolation in this situation of botch rebates was the fact that there was 2 any brand yogurt rebates that I had in my account for some reason. Both of them attached, and I got 20 cents back. At least I got 20 cents back, so I can't complain. And both of those individual any brand yogurt rebates did count as individual separate rebates toward my bonus, so I don't care. Last rebate, guys. Now let me tell you this, okay? This particular rebate, I actually did it at a different store because it was cheaper, okay? But I'm going to tell you the price for you doing it at Walmart in the event that you don't have this store, okay? All right, so the next rebate is for the Dove shampoo or conditioner, okay? Now, there is a $1 Ibotta rebate. at Walmart, and also that same rebate is showing up for Harris Teeter. Okay, I don't know if you guys have a Harris Teeter, but if you do, it's cheaper to purchase it at Harris Teeter because they're priced $2.99 each. We have that $3 off of 2 coupon. So if you purchase them at Harris Teeter, as I did, $5.98 for the 2, use the $3 coupon off of 2 in store, pay $2.98, get the 2 $1 Ibotta rebates back, making the final cost be 98 cents for the 2 bottles of shampoo, which is a great deal. Now, if you decide to do it, in fact, at Walmart, it's going to be, or at my Walmart, these were priced $3.44. So $3.44 each. The $3 off of 2 coupon coming off, you would pay $1.94 each in store. You would get back the $1 from Ibotta, making the final cost be 94 cents each. Okay, not too bad. All right, guys, so now let's go over the total. Let's talk about how much I spent, how much I got back. All right, so the total of everything, guys, was $44.81. Woo! Of course, y'all know I paid for this with Ibotta money. All right, so in coupons, I only had $7 in coupons. Now, that brought my cost down to $37.81. Guys, it's the next morning and I was about to activate this video and realized that I left off the shop kick. So we're going to go over the numbers again of what I got back. The total of everything was $44.81. Had $7 in coupons. So what I had to pay was $37.81. Of course, I used Ibotta money to pay for this transaction. Y'all know that every time. The Ibotta rebates that I got back was $11.65 and $2 from Harris Teeter from Ibotta, and the $2 all bonus, and I did get my $5 weekend warrior bonus. And from Shopkick, I got $1.96 for the 2 Simple and the St. Ives products. So that brings my cost down to $13.24 for 16 items. That's like 83 cents each, which is great. Stacking the bonuses, of course. So I'm going to go back and do some more Ibotta today. Crystle had not botched the 2 rebates, my cost would have been better because I would have got products that actually gave me more back instead of 10 cents. But it's okay. It's all right. I'm very pleased with the items that I got, of course, because if not, I wouldn't keep doing those rebates. But I just love the items that I'm getting, guys. So my rebates, hopefully some of my rebates will reset. Yes, that way I can do the other half of my Fresh Start bonus and get my $10 for tomato cash. I love Ibotta cash. Okay. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments below of the video if it was. Make sure you go down in the description box and get your link and click the link for the Google document. Yes, everything that I purchased today is in a Google document, guys. So you can bring it up on your phone, print it off before you go to the store, whichever way you want to do. And also there is a free printable for your coupon budget, guys. Yes, your coupon budget. It's a new year. We must be making sure that we are paying attention to our coupon budget. So Crystle needs to make sure that she writes down for her coupon budget. You do have to take something off of this receipt for Walmart because I purchased a white chocolate almond Hershey candy bar, and that was not part of this purchase. Okay. But that is it, guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend, and remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.